Now let's talk about the next learning about React. We're going to talk about class versus class name. This lesson will cover more advanced JS. You will learn some powerful tricks and some common errors to avoid. Grammar in JS is mostly the same as in HTML, but there are subtle differences to watch out for. The most frequent of these involves the word class. In HTML, it's common use to use class as an attribute name. Yes. In JSX, you can't use the word class. You have to use class name instead. I see. This is because JSX gets translated into JavaScript and class is reserved word in JavaScript. So it means that um, for some reason JavaScript has a lot of reserved word which is not applicable in HTML. For example, the class. So we don't need to use class inside the HTML file. Okay. So we don't have to. If we use the class, it means it will be make an error. For example, this. Let us try to make an HTML with class red, maybe. Let's say redto, and I want this h1 to be inside the cons clash. Okay, let us root dot render. Let's say class. Will this make an error? Okay, red dot. What? Anything wrong? I don't know. What about this? Huh? What's this? What if we don't render anything? I don't know what will happen. Okay, render. Okay, I think it still be rendered, but let us see what is going to be the element, inspect element. Let's see. It's still render. Okay. So it means they are not honest. Okay. They are not honest at all. I don't know. So let's make okay. My div. See. Okay, let's say the class name. Let's say using class name. I don't know why, but okay, div. Let's change to div. I am a big div. Okay. I'm a big div. My div. Let's see. Okay, what about the inspection? Let's see the inspect. Oh, I see. It will still, you know, I am a bit div. I see. What about this? Make the class name. Okay. Ah, I see. What happened? Why is it big? Because it's already predefined from the CSS. The size, big size will be 100 px. Okay, good. I see. So no problem. Let's continue to the number 2. Underneath div element, call a root render with my div as an argument. Ah, I see. What? If you render div element as a class of big, then it should look big in browser. Okay, root render. I already root rendered it. Okay, I think it's super easy and predictable. Let's go next. Self-closing tag. Another common JSX error involves self-closing tags. What's self-closing tag? Most HTML elements use two tags, an opening tag and closing tag. However, some HTML elements using IMG and input use only one tag. Oh, I see. Then what? The tag that belongs to a single tag element isn't an opening tag or a closing tag. It's a self-closing tag, okay? When you're on blah 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 blah, when you write a self-closing tag HTML, it is optional to include a forward slash immediately before the final angle bracket. Ah, I see. So it's optional. But in JSX, you have to include the slash. If you write a self-closing tag in JSX and forget the slash, you will raise an error. Okay, let's say we want to forget the slash. Let's run this. Ah, I see. So I think we should make the slash, and try to run it. Okay, I think it's easy. It's super easy. Let's go next. Okay, so it means it will raise an error, so it won't render anything. Okay, no problem. JavaScript in your JSX, in your JavaScript. Okay, what is this? What's the meaning? It's similar. So far, we'll focus on writing JSX expressions. It's similar to writing bits of HTML, but inside of a JavaScript file. In this lesson, we're going to add something new, regular JavaScript written inside of a JSX expression, written inside of JavaScript. Ah, I see. I don't understand what you mean, but let's try this. On line 7, carefully write the following code. Okay, let's see. Is it going to calculate the result? To render 2 plus 3 2 base 5. Okay. I think it's already correct. Nothing wrong here. Oh, but I spaced it. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's okay. Then what do you think? Okay, let's see if we try this. I don't remember, but what if we use curly braces? Okay. If we use curly braces, it will calculate the result. Okay, it's JavaScript. Okay, go next. What's there? Curly braces in JSX. The code in the last exercise didn't behave as one might expect. Instead of adding 2 and 3, it printed out 2 plus 3 as string. That's why. Because it has no curly braces. Am I right? This happens when located between h1 and h1 text. Any code it will be considered as HTML. Am I right? Okay, just a text. Okay, you need a way to write the code. That's it, even though, okay. Okay, I already make the curly braces. Let's run. Good. Okay, I think it's quite easy. Super easy, I mean. 20 digits of pi in JSX. You can now inject regular JavaScript into JSX expression. This will be extremely useful in the code editor. You can see a JSX expression that displays the first 20 digits of P. Okay. Study the expression and notice the following like this. The code is written in a JavaScript file. By default, it will all be treated as regular JavaScript. Find div on line 5. Okay, this one. And the on line 5, from there up through the code will be treated as JSX. Okay, no problem. And what's wrong? Find math from up to through 20. Okay. The code will be treated as a regular JavaScript again. Okay, I see. So it means that this one is JSX, it's a JavaScript, and then the rest is JSX. Okay, no problem. And open app.js, declare a new variable named math. Set math equal to JSX h1 element. Okay. Put the following. Okay. New variable method equal to JSX. Let's see. I don't know what happened, but no problem. Cons math equal to JSX h1 element. No problem. h1 and what? Inside the expression, put the following inside h1. Okay. I don't know. Wait. Why is that really stupid? I don't understand what you mean. You are to trick me or something? I don't know. Let's try this h1. 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 3. Okay, no problem. Let's don't forget the semicolon. Okay. Declare a variable called math. I already made the math. Okay, semi-equal to JS h1 element. I don't know what you mean. Okay. Okay. Maybe like this. And let's use the braces. Perhaps, I don't know. What you mean? Let's see. I don't know. Okay. Let's say what about this? Oh, sorry, I forgot. I should have seen that the file name is not FJS. Okay, no problem. I'm really sleepy, but it's okay. Next, at the bottom of the file, call root render. Okay. Sorry, I was sleepy. I'm sleepy currently. As you probably expected. Okay, no problem. I think yes, I expected this. Let's try this. Okay, really easy. I think we can continue later. Thank you. Goodbye.